Hello. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about Google Maps. On our Symbolo, which is located on our library webpage, please look for the tab that says Internet Tools and click on Google Maps. This brings up a map of the area that you want. You don't necessarily need to have your physical location tracked, but you can if you want to make that decision at home. So what we need to normally do is type in an address or a description like Jackson Elementary School. And we get a map. Now, this map is an outline. If you want it to be a satellite photograph, see this box right down here that says satellite? Click on that, and it becomes a satellite overlay. You also have some information off to this side that gives the address, telephone number, website, and some photos. And wow, three people wrote really nice reviews about Jackson. So one of the uses for Google Maps is a nice way of taking an overhead look of your neighborhood. We have our school here, and zooming out, we also see we have Madison, we have Edgewood Road, O Avenue, which turns into Rogers Road, and other places. Now, another thing to do with Google Maps is to find directions. So let's say we want to get somewhere from Jackson. Let's say we want to get from, Westdale Mall. And it gives us some options. The blue highlighted is the option that you're highlighting over here. We have one that's by Edgewood Road, Wiley Boulevard now, and Wiley and Edgewood. I think that probably Edgewood Road would be our best choice, so I'm going to click on that. Also, what this shows is traffic. The red is where traffic is has stopped, and the yellow is where traffic is slow. Let's say we wanted to get to Jackson from Veterans Memorial Stadium. Now, if you look, once we start typing, we also get suggestions. Well, let's see what choices we're getting. We have Johnson Avenue, E Avenue, or First Avenue in Edgewood. There's lots of different choices to get either place. Now, that's for your neighborhood. Sometimes it's also fun to go beyond. Now, what if we wanted to get to Wrigley Field? Let's see how it would take us. The fastest way is coming up shortly, but as you can see, it would take 4 hours and 10 minutes right now. Another option sometimes is that it gives us directions by all of these items. But as you know, by plane, it takes an hour and it would cost $387. Sometimes whenever you're looking at large cities, it's nice to use some of these other things like public transportation or subway. Let's say we're at Wrigley Field and we want to get to the Art Institute of Chicago. Now it's giving us multiple directions here, but let's say we want to take the train. Notice that it gives us the red line, or we can make multiple changes and it would take us by the red, the green, the orange, and the pink. So Google Maps is one of those fun little tools to take a look at things. Another option is to just use it to explore. Like, for instance, a place where we might not normally get to. What if we wanted to take a look at Paris, France? We can zoom in and zoom out to take a look at different possibilities of what is in this area. For example, we can see the Eiffel Tower right along the banks of the Seine. You can use it to search for restaurants near a place, hotels, other attractions. It's a very wide-ranging tool that is kind of just fun to play with. Hopefully you learned something on our trip through Google Maps. Thank you.